natural drink that eliminates phlegm and relieves dry cough. This drink helps cleanse the lungs and ease dry cough, bronchial inflammation, sinusitis, and sore throat. It is a powerful recipe that pharmacies will never tell you about. The ingredients are 1 chopped red onion, 1 lemon with its peel, a piece of fresh ginger cut into slices, 3 minced garlic cloves, 2 sticks of cinnamon, 2 cups of water, and 1 tablespoon of honey for sweetening. To prepare it, put all the ingredients except the honey in a pot with the water. Cover it, and let it boil for 3 to 10 minutes. Then pour the drink into a cup and add the honey to sweeten it. You can drink it twice a day for 1 week. And once you feel better, it is best to stop taking it. Tell us in the comments if you suffer from weak immunity or frequent illnesses and rate this recipe from 0 to 10.